I mean,
I don't know if that's right.
we have to use it, right? This is not the way this was supposed to go. Now, it's very common when we do crazy experiments and projects on this channel to end up with extra material. Most of the time, that extra material gets put into a gallon, labeled, and put on a shelf so we can find it for future testing. I saw a comment on a video about a week ago that suggested that we should take a whole bunch of extra leftovers from different projects, mix them all together, and try to make a new color. Now, obviously, this is a terrible idea, so we're going to do it. Once in a while, when we have extra material, it gets onto the shelf without being labeled. So we sifted through our top coat and pearl shelf to find 4 gallons that, for whatever reason, never got identified or labeled. So in these 4 gallons are some type of top coat, some type of pearl, at some type of pigment load. So we've got 2 glass jars here. The plan is to take each one of these mystery pearls, put about 900 milliliters of this mixture into the small beaker, try to identify what it is, and then each one will go into the large mixing cup until we have whatever. So the question I have is, are we even going to be able to identify what these pearls are? A lot of our pearls look the same until they're sprayed. And that mixing, or that shelf that has all the extra material has projects and leftover material that goes back months. So pearl number 1, what? I mean, what even is that? It looks like oil. Like, what is that?
I don't know if that's right.
Hold on. It doesn't even look like it has pearl. It's just a colored liquid.
Blend it up well?
Yeah. We have to use it, right? Is that brown?
There's an amber hue to it.
This is not the way this was supposed to go. There's really nothing. I can mix it again.
Doesn't look like there's very much pearl in it.
We're off to a great start. Oh, look.
Oh, that's at the bottom.
So whatever it is tinted the glossy top coat in a very funky way. Let's see if that helped. It's kind of something. It's got to go in. We can't back out now.
Right.
I wish I could tell you guys what this was, but I genuinely have no idea. It's almost got an amberish something to it.
It's got a darkness to it.
Well, we knew this was a terrible idea, but that's part of the fun. Okay, hopefully this one turns out better. Maybe it's settled and it needs a little extra mixing here. Oh my God. I think I even know what this is right off the bat. Yeah, there's only one pearl that we've ever had that looks like that, and that's the ZRG, that prototype hypershift. Jesus. Right off the bat, what are we making here? Okay, well, maybe the ZRG will overpower whatever that mud oil was. This one doesn't even have a label on it. Okay, give us something. It looks clear. Oh, God. Is this what I think it is? Oh, my God. Is this holographic flake?
Holographic.
Okay.
Hollow pearl.
I mean, we've already jumped in the pool. We got to swim, right? Okay. So far, we've got hollow pearl, ZRG, and mud oil mixed together. I mean, the last one, what's best case scenario? What at any point could make this potentially work?
Right now it looks like a burnt orange. As long as it stays in that orange range, we might be all right.
Okay. Give us something usable, something that will be compatible. I don't know what. Okay, whatever. I mean, what is that? What even is that? Is there stuff at the bottom again?
There might be.
Oh, there's pearl. It's metallic. It's like a rusty, reddish orange. I mean, what are we doing? Okay. So, with that, we have ZRG. We know for sure that was ZRG. We have mud oil. We have holographic pearl. And then we have some kind of amberish, greenish, rusty something.
I'm getting oranges, reds, coppers.
Okay. We've got the M3. It's got a black base. And we got to spray it. So let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, considering the amount of risk that was involved in this concept and how terribly things could have gone wrong, I have to say the end result of this car is pretty darn good. Now, I wish I could tell you which 4 pearls we mixed together at which pigment loads to make this end result, but I still don't know what some of them were. And I don't know if you could tell, but I was seriously considering bailing on the entire project when we poured that first gallon out. But I knew that conflict like that and challenges are part of an experiment like this, and it's what makes stuff like this fun. And I'm glad we pushed through it because it looks pretty darn cool. I'm gonna take it outside right now and let you guys see it. You know what to do. Leave a comment below and rate this end result 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. All of our kits are in one place for you. And if you want to see more crazy experiments like this, Leave a comment and please let me know, and we'll do more of them. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast. I'll see you guys in the next video.